How to start a multi-million-dollar Amazon business with less than $2,000. It takes just 1 hour a day. This isn't a popular opinion, but entrepreneurship is a terrible idea. While it's great for society that so many people are innovating, taking massive risks and working 18-hour days is rarely in the individual's best interest. Yes, the potential payout is huge, but the odds of success are low. At the same time, it's increasingly difficult to stay happy in a salaried job when you're bombarded with entrepreneurial success stories that seem too good to be true. But what if there were a reliable way to start a business that could significantly improve your life without sacrificing blood, sweat, and years? Thanks to Amazon, there is. Unlike most entrepreneurial ventures, you can start an Amazon business by spending just 1 hour a day on it and less than $2,000. You can create a multi-million-dollar asset that gives you financial freedom and free time. In this video, we discuss what it takes and exactly what it costs. Hey, before we get started, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons to be sure not to miss any of our amazing content in the future. You can go ahead and get that done. Oh, wait. Okay, let's get into it. Step number 1, research product samples. This will cost you $100 to $200. Scour Amazon's categories and products to identify an existing product that will sell. Look for ones with a best sellers rank between 100 and 6,000 in the high-level category, which means they aren't selling well, but aren't too competitive. Then visit the supplier marketplace Alibaba.com to find manufacturers who produce similar products and order samples of the ones you're considering. Most samples cost around $50 or $60, and you shouldn't need more than 2 or 3. You can often request some customization for no extra cost as well. For example, you might ask the supplier to replace a plastic part with a metal one to improve the quality. Step number 2, order inventory. $500 to $2,500. Product inventory is your primary cost, which includes expenses required to get the product to the customer. Packaging from the manufacturer will likely cost around 50 cents for a $5 product. If it's coming from somewhere like China, you'll likely need a freight forwarder to handle shipping and customs for a fee. The best warehousing option is Fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, where you order a certain number of products from the manufacturer and send them to Amazon up front. Amazon handles shipping, customer service, and returns in exchange for a percentage from every sale. We surveyed hundreds of the Amazon business owners and found that they spend an average of $1,200 on these initial inventory costs. Though you can get by with as little as $500, some products may be too expensive or require higher order minimums. If you start with around $2,500, you can comfortably access almost any option. I'm often asked how this compares to drop shipping, where you forward your orders straight to the manufacturer or other third-party seller for fulfillment. While you don't store the inventory yourself either way, it's night and day otherwise. There's no upfront inventory investment with drop shipping, but you pay higher prices because you aren't buying the product in bulk. You also have little control over the product, customer service, or delivery, which can take much longer. Step number 3, design your branding, $500 to $800. While you can sell your product with the manufacturer's branding, many manufacturers will let you white label their product and sell it under your name. Creating your own brand helps you differentiate yourself from the competition and build a business asset you can sell later if you choose. That means you need to design a logo. If you're on a tight budget, you can hire a freelance graphic designer on Fiverr.com for as low as $5 or $10. I recommend 99designs.com, where you're more likely to find a higher quality result for around $300. Manufacturers have generic packaging with their logo, and some may be able to do a little customization for free. For completely custom, high-end packaging design, you'll spend between $300 and $500 on 99 Designs. Step number 4, launch your marketing, $200 to $500. You can usually get by with only a few $100s on upfront marketing. If you want to be more aggressive, you're looking at around $500. Start with Amazon ads, which is typically the most profitable with 20% to 30% conversion rates. Then you can graduate to Facebook ads using a coupon offer or discounted promotion to drive traffic to your Amazon listing. If you're dedicated to moving quickly and selling a product that's light and small, so it doesn't take long to ship, your business can be up and running within a month and a half to 3 months. If you execute a marketing campaign when you launch, you should be producing a consistent profit within 6 months. These are your only upfront expenses because you can then use your profits to invest in more inventory, build your own website, hire staff to manage your social media, and scale in other ways as you grow. Step number 5, stay consistent. Free. Building a profitable Amazon business requires a lot of learning and waiting to hear back from suppliers or receive shipments, for example, but it doesn't require a constant grind or long work days. If you can average an hour or 2 a day, that's more than enough. You don't have to be a workaholic driven by blind passion. You don't even have to be passionate at all about the product you're selling. You just need to be consistent and willing to experiment and chip away month after month until you're successful. You can't give up when a supplier messes up your order or someone leaves you a bad review. But as long as you're in it for the long term and willing to work through those things, you already have what it takes. Thanks for sticking around until the end. If you feel like you have received some real value from this content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and drop us a comment to let us know if we are serving you. Until next time, we remain Business Brain USA.